So we're going to talk about trace transparency in LightBurn. I'm sure many of you are familiar with the trace function, but this is another aspect of it that is specifically geared toward PNGs. Most PNGs have a transparent layer, and when they do, you can trace that and get a cutout for your image. So you still have to get your image adjusted to your liking, but if you're going to cut it out after you engrave, if you select your image, and you can see it's an image up here in the cuts and layers, you can't do an offset to cut it out. You could draw a rectangle if I can get it selected. You could draw a rectangle around it and size it up, but there's an easier way. If you select your image and then right click, go to the trace image function, and right here you see trace transparency. And once you click that, it turns everything else off and it just gives you a clean line around your PNG. Click OK, and then you can do your engraving, and then that will cut it out. It's been a little bit since I've been on LightBurn, and I promised some viewers I'd get back to it. I've been busy trying to learn Xtool Studio. I've got two new Xtool lasers, the F1 Ultra and the F2 Ultra UV. So I've been busy with that. So I appreciate you folks taking time to watch. I hope the videos are helpful. So please check back for new videos. If you have comments, please send them. I appreciate it. And y'all just take care. And we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.